Hi guys, it's Ms. Mangus here. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the school librarian here at Pelion Middle School. I wanted to make a couple of quick videos to help you use the library more effectively. A lot of you want to know how to look up books. How do I do that on my Chromebook? I'm going to show you how. Okay, if you pull up your Lexington One Launchpad, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. You're looking for an icon that says Follow Destiny. I'm going to click on it. And I am going to get a screen. It may look a little different from yours, and if it does, that's okay. Or if you have the same screen, that's fine too. I am looking for something called Destiny Discover. Now for me, I have to click Catalog and Destiny Discover, and it comes right up. Now yours, like I said, may come up automatically. Now, Destiny Discover gives you access to our physical books in the library. It will save you a lot of time. You can be in your classroom and think, okay, I want to look up a book. How do I do that? This is how you do that through Destiny Discover. And as you can see, quick search box, recently added books, topics. We're going to talk more about this in the next video. I just wanted to show you how to access it from your Chromebook.